Today we're going to show you how we set up our awning and how we built it. It's simple and cheap and easy to do on any van that has a roof rack. Our new van is going to have a simpler awning, so watch soon for a version 2 video. To build this awning, you'll need to start with a tarp. We found a cheap 8x8 tarp, but would have preferred a smaller 4x8 tarp that didn't occupy as much space beside the van. Another challenge you'll have is determining how to attach it to your van. Most roof racks have a channel that will nicely receive a carriage bolt in the track on the top or the bottom of the rack. You can access that track by removing the plastic end caps. For materials, you'll need 6 8-foot lengths of 1/2 inch electrical conduit, 2 1/4 inch carriage bolts that are 2 inches long, 6 1/4 inch bolts that are 2 inches long, 8 1/4 inch nylon locking nuts, 20 1/4 inch flat washers, Gorilla tape, and your tarp. The tools you need are a metal saw or hacksaw, a 5/16 drill bit, a center punch, a 7/16 wrench and socket, and a file to tame any sharp edges left by the hacksaw. The awning is made up from 2 sets of conduit. The first set is attached to the roof rack by 2 carriage bolts, and the other is unattached. Each set of conduit has 3 sections attached at the end with 1/4 inch bolts and washers in between to help them hinge smoothly. The set attached to the roof rack has 2 arms made to swing out over your head. The second set is loose and connects to the 2 arms of the fixed set. The tarp then holds the whole awning together by stretching over the unattached bar, being pulled taut by the bungees that connect to the bottom of the conduit legs. The only part that you can't see is one last 1/4 inch bolt that goes through the ends of the second set of conduit. They slide into the arms of the first set, being held in place by the pull of the tarp. This design can be modified to any size needed and can be built for $70. Electrical conduit was $48, fasteners were $6, tarp was $10, the Gorilla tape was $6, for a total of $70. The tape is used to attach the tarp to the conduit.
Let that swing down. There. Now kind of just pull down on that.
Oh yeah, I forgot that you need 2 bungees. Sometimes you take the little things for granted.
Inside as well. Right here. Just hold that. Hold the edge. And there you have it. That is our simple DIY awning. You can see the tape has come undone on that. I only had it attached by tape. But shelters from the rain, takes about a minute and a half to set up. 2 people is nice, 1 person is a bit of a gong show, but it works. And there you go, version 1, version 2 coming soon.